Whoa. Hey, how's
Mr. Bear?
Yep, they call me Mr. Bear. So here's the deal.
Will you be a good bear? Close the door for me.
I mean, I'm a good bear, but I was thinking.
Close the door.
I actually heard you had some pretty good honey here.
Close the door.
You know, the word around town is that your honey is excellent.
You're a good boy.
I'm a good boy. I'm a bear.
He's the good boy. Close the door.
All right, fine. I'll close
what
the
a
door
good
here.
boy.
But I'm telling you, Sharon, we need to talk about this. Okay, here we go.